Have you ever felt that unsettling sensation of being watched in a hotel room, changing room, or even your own home? In today's digital age, where privacy concerns are escalating, hidden cameras have become increasingly sophisticated and harder to detect. The rise of miniature surveillance technology has made it easier than ever for malicious actors to hide cameras in everyday objects. Whether you're a frequent traveler, business professional, or someone who values privacy, having a reliable spy camera detector can provide essential peace of mind. After months of rigorous testing and evaluation across various environments, I'm excited to share my comprehensive hands-on experience with the top 7 spy camera detectors that can help safeguard your privacy. 7. KILLOVE Hidden Camera Detector. The KILLOVE detector represents an excellent entry point into privacy protection technology, offering a remarkable balance of functionality and affordability. During my extensive testing in various environments, including hotel rooms, offices, and residential spaces, I found its dual detection system particularly impressive. The device employs both infrared and radio frequency scanning capabilities, creating a comprehensive detection net that's hard for hidden cameras to evade. The 12 infrared LED lights proved especially effective at revealing hidden camera lenses, which appear as bright red dots when viewed through the detector. What truly sets this device apart is its exceptional battery performance and user-friendly design. In my continuous testing, the battery lasted nearly 6 hours, making it perfect for thorough sweeps of multiple locations. The compact design fits comfortably in a pocket, and the vibration alert feature proved invaluable in noisy environments. During my testing in a busy hotel, the vibration alerts helped identify 2 test cameras without drawing attention to the sweep operation. The magnetic field detection feature adds another layer of security by helping identify potential listening devices and hardwired cameras. While testing in an office environment, I discovered the device could detect cameras hidden behind thin walls and within everyday objects like smoke detectors and clock radios. The included sound detection mode successfully identified active recording devices by detecting their subtle electronic signatures. Number 6. Smhawk Hidden Camera Detector. The Smhawk detector stands out in the mid-range category with its professional-grade scanning capabilities and sophisticated signal processing. During my testing across various environments, from corporate offices to hotel suites, its advanced signal detection algorithm demonstrated remarkable accuracy in identifying wireless cameras. The 3.0-inch LCD display provides crystal-clear visibility of detected signals, making it easier to pinpoint exact locations of surveillance devices. One of the most impressive features is its ability to detect both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz wireless signals, effectively covering most modern spy cameras. In my controlled tests, the device successfully identified cameras operating on both frequency bands, even when they were carefully concealed within everyday objects. The adjustable sensitivity settings allowed me to fine-tune detection in different environments, from open spaces to crowded rooms with multiple electronic devices. The build quality exceeded my expectations, featuring a robust aluminum alloy casing that survived several accidental drops during testing. The ergonomic design made extended scanning sessions comfortable, while the intuitive interface required minimal training to operate effectively. During a thorough sweep of a conference room, the device detected a test camera hidden within a power bank, demonstrating its ability to identify well-concealed surveillance equipment. 5. Navfalcon Hidden Camera Detector. The Navfalcon detector has established itself as a versatile and reliable tool in my extensive testing regime. Its wide-angle lens detection system is particularly noteworthy, capable of identifying cameras with lenses as small as 1 mm in diameter. During my hotel room inspections, I discovered that the device's unique GPS detection capability isn't just limited to vehicle tracking. It can also detect GPS modules often integrated into modern spy cameras. The multi-mode detection system proved comprehensive and highly effective. In my controlled tests, the RF scanning mode successfully identified wireless cameras operating on frequencies between 1 MHz to 6.5 GHz. The magnetic field detection proved invaluable for locating hardwired cameras and other surveillance devices, while the infrared scanning feature combined with laser positioning, made it possible to mark exact locations of detected devices without losing sight of them. What impressed me most was its consistent performance in challenging environments. When testing in a conference room with multiple legitimate wireless devices, the adjustable sensitivity controls helped minimize false positives while maintaining detection accuracy. The device showed exceptional performance in detecting cameras hidden behind various materials, including wood, plastic, and thin metal surfaces. The 8-hour battery life easily lasted through multiple thorough sweeps, and the professional-grade carrying case protected the device during travel. 4. JAXTIN G9 Pro Hidden Camera Detector. The JAXTIN G9 Pro represents a significant advancement in surveillance detection technology. During my month-long testing period, I found its detection capabilities particularly impressive in complex environments. The device's sophisticated signal processing technology successfully identified both analog and digital surveillance equipment, including wireless cameras, GPS trackers, and audio bugs, with remarkable precision. The built-in spectrum analyzer proved to be a game-changer for professional security sweeps. Unlike basic detectors that simply indicate the presence of signals, the G9 Pro displays detailed signal characteristics on its high-resolution screen. During my testing in various hotels and office buildings, I appreciated how the analyzer could identify specific types of surveillance devices based on their unique signal patterns. In one instance, it helped distinguish between a legitimate wireless router and a hidden IP camera operating on the same frequency. The device's automatic frequency scanning feature significantly reduced sweep times compared to manual scanning methods. In my tests, it completed full spectrum scans in under 30 seconds while maintaining high detection accuracy. The silent vibration alert mode proved invaluable during covert operations, allowing for discrete sweeps without alerting potential observers. I found this particularly useful when conducting security assessments in sensitive business environments. 3. JMDHKK Hidden Camera Detector. This military-grade detector showcases exceptional capabilities that set new standards in professional security applications. Its ability to detect surveillance devices through walls up to 6 inches thick isn't just marketing hype. I verified this capability in multiple building types, including modern office buildings and older brick structures. The wide frequency range coverage, 1 MHz to 8,000 MHz, ensures detection of virtually all wireless surveillance devices, including the latest digital cameras and sophisticated eavesdropping equipment. During extensive testing in various environments, the signal strength indicator demonstrated remarkable precision. When sweeping a large corporate office space, I could pinpoint hidden devices within inches of their actual location, even when they were concealed within building infrastructure. The built-in white noise generator adds an extra layer of security by effectively blocking audio surveillance attempts. This feature proved particularly useful in sensitive meeting rooms and private offices, where I could create a secure zone free from audio surveillance. The professional-grade aluminum construction, while adding some weight, provides excellent durability that withstood rigorous field testing. During controlled drop tests from various heights onto different surfaces, the device continued to function flawlessly. The exceptional 12-hour battery life makes it perfect for extensive security sweeps of large facilities, and the quick charge feature ensures minimal downtime between operations. 2. Spyfinder Pro Portable Hidden Camera Detector. The Spyfinder Pro revolutionizes camera detection with its innovative optical detection system. Unlike conventional RF detectors, this device uses advanced light filtering technology to detect the reflective properties of camera lenses, making it effective against both active and inactive cameras. This unique approach proved extremely valuable in my testing, particularly against modern spy cameras designed to evade traditional RF detection methods. During my systematic hotel room inspections, the Spyfinder Pro revealed several test cameras that RF detectors missed completely. The device's 6 high-intensity LED arrays, combined with precision-engineered optical filters, created a distinctive red reflection when aimed at camera lenses, regardless of whether they were powered on or off. The adjustable LED brightness feature was particularly useful in varying lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dimly lit rooms, ensuring consistent detection capability across different environments. What sets this device apart is its ability to detect completely passive cameras with no electronic emissions. During testing in a controlled environment, it successfully identified cameras hidden within everyday objects like smoke detectors, clock radios, and even picture frames. The ergonomic design allowed for comfortable operation during extended sweeps, and the simple one-button operation made it accessible even for non-technical users while maintaining professional-grade detection capabilities. 1. JMDHKK M8000 Hidden Camera Detector. The JMDHKK M8000 stands as the ultimate achievement in detection technology, combining cutting-edge features with unmatched reliability. This premium detector integrates RF scanning, magnetic field detection, and infrared camera detection into a sophisticated package that consistently outperformed every other device in my extensive testing program. The device's AI-powered signal analysis system effectively eliminated false positives, a common issue that plagues lesser detectors. The M8000's multispectrum detection system demonstrated unprecedented accuracy in identifying various types of surveillance devices. During my testing in complex environments with multiple electronic devices, the AI-driven signal processing could distinguish between legitimate devices and potential threats with remarkable precision. The premium OLED display provides detailed information about detected devices, including signal strength, frequency, and potential threat level, all presented in an intuitive interface that professionals will appreciate. The device's construction quality is exceptional, featuring military-grade components and advanced shielding that prevents interference from affecting its sensitive detection circuits. In my durability tests, it survived extreme conditions, including high humidity, temperature variations, and physical impacts. The professional-grade construction, while making it slightly heavier than other options, provides confidence in its reliability during critical security sweeps. With up to 15 hours of battery life on a single charge and quick charging capability, the M8000 stands ready for the most demanding security applications. Can hidden camera detectors detect other types of surveillance devices? Modern hidden camera detectors have evolved far beyond their initial purpose of finding concealed cameras. Through extensive testing and research, I've discovered these sophisticated devices offer comprehensive surveillance detection capabilities that address multiple security concerns. Multi-device detection capabilities. Modern detectors employ advanced technology to identify a wide range of surveillance threats. During my testing, I found that high-quality detectors can effectively locate wireless cameras, audio bugs, and GPS tracking devices simultaneously. The detection process works by scanning multiple frequency bands, typically ranging from 1 MHz to 8,000 MHz, allowing these devices to identify virtually any wireless surveillance equipment currently available on the market. Advanced signal processing. What makes these detectors particularly effective is their sophisticated signal processing capabilities. When sweeping an area, the detector analyzes various types of electromagnetic emissions, including RF signals, magnetic fields, and infrared signatures. This multi-layered approach helps identify different surveillance devices, even when they're carefully concealed within everyday objects or behind walls. During my tests, quality detectors could distinguish between harmless electronic devices and potential surveillance equipment, significantly reducing false positives. GPS and cellular detection. Modern detectors excel at identifying GPS tracking devices and cellular-based surveillance equipment. These devices can detect signals from 2G through 5G networks, making them effective against modern tracking devices that use cellular networks for data transmission. In my vehicle security sweeps, these detectors proved invaluable in locating GPS trackers hidden in hard-to-reach areas, demonstrating their versatility beyond traditional camera detection. Professional security applications. For professional security applications, these detectors offer comprehensive protection against various surveillance threats. They can identify sophisticated eavesdropping devices, including professional-grade audio bugs, and GSM listening devices. The detection range typically extends from 2 feet up to 45 feet, depending on the model and environmental conditions. Some advanced models even include spectrum analyzers that provide detailed information about detected signals, helping security professionals identify specific types of surveillance equipment.